How to bulk send SMS messages to clients. When your tax deadline is here, you need your client to react fast, so you can send SMS reminders to those who haven't filled out their organizers. You can create SMS templates to avoid writing the same text multiple times from the SMS tab under the Firm Templates section. First, enter a name for the template. That's what you'll see when you select the template. Next, write down the SMS content. Note that you can individualize it by including shortcodes. In this case, we are including the contact name and last name. Click Save and Exit, and that's it. Your template is ready to go. Now that the template has been created, let's send the SMS in bulk to all clients with pending organizers. Click Filter in the top left corner, select Organizers from the drop-down list, and then check Pending. I'll also add a filter to select all clients within our 1040 pipeline. Select all clients by ticking the box at the top, click on More Actions and select Send SMS. Select the template first, and then make sure to check if all the numbers are correct. If you find any mistake, you can edit the contact details from here. When you are done, click Send. Now, if you access one of your client's profile, you can see that they have received the SMS where the short codes were replaced with their name.